Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the new episode of Thompali. This show, we are simply showing the inauguration of Pont Del Petroli, a sea bridge in Badalona, being the 10th years of celebration, 10th years of the reconstruction. I would like to explain about this Pont Del Petroli, the bridge, the sea bridge of Pont Del Petroli, Badalona. The popularly called Pont Del Petroli was built by Kamsa in 1965 and used for the discharge of hydrocarbons until 1990, of course, with petroleum as well as petroleum products till 1990. When the company closed 10 years later and the municipality or the government planned to reconstruct it for the purpose of tourism purpose and open for the people to enjoy the exact view of Badalona. It goes 250 meters towards the sea. That allows you to have different views of the coast. I just compared this Pont Del Petroli, the bridge of Badalona, just with our Kerala Alappuzha, the sea bridge which was simply lost, abandoned bridge in Alappuzha. We know the history. Early it was wonderfully used for the purpose of marketing as well as different purpose. Now the ships were coming. See the different how the people, how the countries are developing in different ways. When it was stopped here in this Pont Del Petroli, the sea bridge 1990, they planned for this something different way. So my dear friends, being this 10 years of reconstruction of Pont Del Petroli bridge, let us see how they are inaugurating the celebration. Welcome to this show. Thank you. Subscribe our channel. Thompal.